I'm truly overjoyed to be present in this historic basilica of Bom Jesus in the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman and celebrate the Holy Mass with you this morning. I was gladly informed that Saint Francis Xavier is fondly revered by several Goans in respective of castes, creed, and religion, and he's popularly and affectionately called Goicho Sahib. In the past, Goa was like a beacon of faith of Jesus Christ for all India. And we have to be again a beacon, like a lighthouse for all India and all the Asia continent, as Francis Xavier, who was not a Goan by birth, but became a Goan by heart, because he came here, loved Goa. Today, there must be no lessening of the impetus to preach the gospel to those who are far from Christ, because this is the first task of the Church. All renewal in the Church must have proclamation as its goal, if it is not to fail prey to a kind of ecclesial introversion. Pope Francis noted that the purpose of sending the disciples to the villages is not to socialize, to spend time together, but to proclaim the kingdom of God. And this is urgent. And it is still urgent today, not just at the time of Saint Francis Xavier, but today. There is no time to be lost in gossip. There is no need to wait for everyone's consensus. What is necessary is to go out and proclaim.